welcome back. Firstly, thank you so much to every one of you for showing me so much of love and always supporting me. Now, you all might be wondering that what am I doing here, like without any makeup and putting my nightie on? Am I here to bore you? But no, I am here to tell you something very interesting, and that is how to get overnight curls without using any heat. So you just need two pairs of socks and you will wrap your hair around it, and you'll see how magical it turns out into. So let's start. So first take a comb and remove all the tangles. Now we are going to serum our hair. Here I am using Matrix Violet so that our curls turns out to be really good. I have only used a little of serum just to give it a nice effect. And yeah, so after this you need to part your hair into 4 sections. Make a part from the middle, and those in the end. Next, what you will do is take a sock, take out the clip, and then just section this. Now just wrap it around like this on your sock, like you're taking plates. Here I have took a longer sock, it's my father's, as I needed a longer one. Now just to secure it with a pillow, and you are done with one. Same, go with the next. Done with all my 4 sections, and I know I'm looking quite funny, but it's okay because I am sure this is going to turn out something really good. So it's worth it or not, that we'll check tomorrow morning. So for now I'll just go to sleep. So bye bye, good night. Hey, good morning. Now quickly we'll open this up. Also, I move a lot in my sleep, and so it's all this mess. So you can see how well they have turned out. Like, I have not opened it up, but the ones with the straight hairs can always open it up. And yes, if you forget about this, then everything is just perfect. You can just run a hot iron on it. You can straighten this part if you want. Now we'll apply serum.
I hope you all liked the video. Now try this out and tag me on Instagram so that I'll repost your story on my Instagram handle. And yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, bye bye. Stay home, stay safe.